Hello, my dear investors, and welcome to this video on the crypto vault. On today's video, we're gonna discuss the 1-inch outline of 1-inch blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1-inch. The whole peculiarity and major focal point of this digital currency is the programmability and capacity as decentralized finance collection specialist organization 1-inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1-inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications. To give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness, 1-inch has acquired exceptional importance. Before we start with itemized 1-inch cost expectation, actually look at our outline. 1-inch that makes all the difference. 1-inch dispersed numerous tokens. Be that as it may, the local token 1INCH became renowned as an administration and utility token, and 1INCH cost figures related news began circling on the lookout. The most important element that pushes development is the cost of the 1INCH token, making the speed and moderateness that empowers speedier execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1-inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades, DEXs. 1-inch partnerships. Once the 1-inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among opponents to trade using 1-inch in light of token cost. As said by Sergej Kunz, co-pioneer at 1-inch network, at present, the 1-inch aggregation protocol is now conveyed on Polygon, while the 1-inch liquidity protocol and the 1-inch governance protocol are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and merchants getting to 1-inch using others like Polygon benefit gigantically. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of token cost. The 1INCH simulator, the previously mentioned move of trading digital forms of money, gives 1-inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Curve, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, OV2, and so forth. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the primary Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1-inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized details to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1INCH can be a productive venture choice in the DeFi area. In light of our 1INCH cost expectation 2022, the token could cross $0.161. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is $0.0555. As per our 1INCH cost forecast 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. What's more, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. In view of the most recent news updates and conjectures, it is an incredible opportunity to put resources into 1INCH tokens, as it might cross $5.217477 in 1 year. Beginning 2022, 1INCH ought to show incredible potential, and the determined most minimal cost of 1INCH could be around the $5 mark. An aggressive bullish standpoint for 2022 has been made by our figure, making 1INCH a beneficial speculation on a crypto forecast side in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for 1INCH on the trade, and the anticipated most exorbitant cost will be around $2.82789 to enter 2022 during a similar period. As indicated by our figure, the symbolic will ascend to $15 toward the finish of 2023 and will at last reach $30 in year 2025. In view of our 1INCH future cost estimate information, the token could stretch around $325.2200 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.2000. The 1INCH cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months, according to our cost gauge. 1INCH price predictions. 2022 to 2026 at the hour of compassing this crypto cost figure. The ongoing cost of 1 INCH is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a coursing supply of 412,981,640, 1 inch. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33, with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost figures bring a few factors into accounts, for example, volume 1 INCH price prediction 2022 keeping up a couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that 1 INCH is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example against United States dollars, particularly how it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the graph, it is apparent that 1 INCH also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern line, contacting $3.7 cost mark, making it important speculation. 1 INCH price prediction 2023, going by the examination of short and long haul cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for 1 INCH cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals, making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the graph. There is an anticipated possibility of 1 INCH bringing about a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $4.4. 1 INCH price prediction 2024, there is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by gauged that 1 INCH would govern the crypto realm, with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.1. This is identical to the very what was anticipated toward the year's end of 2021, which shows 1 INCH can support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, in contrast with other digital currencies like BTC and ETH. 1 INCH price prediction 2025 this year could check as the benchmark here, as 1 INCH coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6. Fundamentally because this year, no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is guessed that the greater part of the harm done to the coin would be making a course for fix work in every single world economy. 1 INCH price prediction 2026, it isn't exactly incredible information. What started with a 1 INCH cost of $1, finished with a $2.5 mark. Henceforth, it has helped the market feel peculiarity. Brokers and investors have begun wagering on the long run for the 1 INCH development, following its worth intently as a venture choice. Thus, the 1 INCH cost expectation 2026 remaining parts is very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.2 by December. 1 INCH price prediction beyond 2026 master merchants of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain as opposed to present moment because of the element of unpredictability. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect to circle back by 1 INCH token toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically by when 1 INCH would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing cost $3.32 on the outline, making it profoundly productive. Does 1 inch have a future? 1 INCH is one digital currency that will have a savvy and brilliant future, driving the cost on the lookout. Riding the crypto wave, it will govern the advanced realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule for dealers. Is 1 inch a wise venture? Indeed. Be that as it may, a reasonable level of effort is generally prudent to post-perusing the market outline for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required. On the off chance that you make an insightful venture in light of cost expectation, keep a watch on the site. Is 1 inch a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and debates, 1 inch uncovers an extremely sound and dynamic indication of a biological system for speculation. You are encouraged to fastidiously follow the 1 INCH future value forecasts and specialized investigation. Where could I at any point purchase 1 INCH? At this moment, you can purchase 1 INCH at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1INCH, you should move your computerized monetary forms like BTC or ETH portfolio from one trade to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. For what reason is 1INCH cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence clients have rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it is a fantastic explanation that 1INCH is recorded on the outline to show an extraordinary exhibition. This triggers financial back